In today's industrial labs, uptime isn't optional. It's everything. The S8 Tiger is more than an XRF analyzer. It's a smart instrument, regularly reporting system health data to LabScape Cloud. Every connected instrument, if you choose to, securely uploads instrument data and status through a dedicated one-way channel. If something isn't right, LabScape Cloud knows. In many cases, Bruker's global help desk is notified immediately, often before the customer even realizes there's an issue.
Hi there, we are seeing a cooling water alert on your S8 Tiger. Can you take a quick look?
Yeah, let me check. Yeah, I see it.
Stored system data makes troubleshooting faster and more precise. And when fleet data is visible, patterns become clear. Identifying the real source of the problem quickly and resolving it means less downtime. With better visibility, service teams arrive informed. Parts and solutions are ready. Quicker troubleshooting, improved first-time fix rates, and decreased unplanned downtime. Every S8 Tiger Series 3 is LabScape Cloud capable, and connectivity is a feature of your warranty in all LabScape service agreements. S8 Tiger with LabScape Cloud. Smarter service, stronger performance, less interruption.